Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free Roblox animation for your avatar. Okay, first of all, you're going to open up your Roblox application on PC or on your mobile phone. Then you're going to go to the avatar, and you can simply go to the marketplace or the customize. It's same, and then go to the animation. Okay, and here you can equip the animation that you want. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Let's try. Okay, why it's not okay? It's just like this. I thought that it's not moving. I mean, my avatar. Yeah, just like this. If you want to get more animation, you can go to the marketplace. And you can filter the price so you can get the free animation. Select the price range. I'm gonna make it 0 and click on apply. And you'll see free animations from here. I'm gonna try this hello animation. Oh, that's good. And okay guys, that's how you can get free animation for your Roblox avatar. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.